Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful. First, to understand our question, the program has to accept the string yes containing the open and the close brackets, and then the program must split the string yes into maximum possible substring where each substring is balanced, and we have also given a note that each open parenthesis has a close parenthesis. So first we are going to accept the string yes containing the open and the closed brackets, and the program must split the string s into maximum possible substrings where each substring is balanced, and we have also given a note that each open parenthesis has a closed parenthesis. So now we'll take our first test case. So this is our first test case where we have two open and two closed parentheses, and now this is our input string, and after getting our input string, now the stack will be equal to empty at the initial position. So once we have the open bracket, so it will be pushed into the stack. So whenever we find a open parenthesis, that is whenever we find a open bracket, we have push into stack, and the stack will have the open, and whenever we find a close bracket, we have to pop from the stack, that is we have to remove that stack. So like this. So let me give it here. So whatever there is in our output, we'll type it here. So here first we'll have the open, and then when we have a close parenthesis, it will be popped, and the stack is empty now. So we'll close and move to next line. So after this we have a open parenthesis, so again we'll open, and after that we have a close parenthesis, so we'll pop and remove the existing parenthesis from the stack, and here we'll have the open end, and here since the stack is empty, we'll close the parenthesis. So this will be our output for this particular test case. Now we'll take our another test case. So here we have the mixture of the open and the closed parenthesis. So first we have an open parenthesis, so we'll open, and after that we have again an open parenthesis, so again we'll push into the stack, and here also it will be added, and then we have a close parenthesis, so here one open parenthesis will be popped, that is removed, and now the stack is not empty, so we do not want to move to next line. So now we have an open parenthesis, so we'll push it to the stack, and then we have the close parenthesis, so we'll pop, and here we'll close, and then again we have a close parenthesis, so we have to remove. Now the stack has become empty, so we'll move to the next line, and now we have an open parenthesis, so we'll push it to the stack and add it here, and then we have a close parenthesis, so we'll pop it, and here we'll close and finish. So this will be our output for this test case. Hope you have understood. Now we'll move to the program. So now let's see how to solve this program. As you know, first we have to get the string S input, and after getting the input, we have to initialize the stack as empty, and for each character in the string S, if the ch is equal to the open bracket, so once the open bracket is seen, then the stack will be appended with the character ch, and we have to print ch. And in the else part, that is, here we'll first print ch and use the end argument. So the else part will have the stack dot pop, that is used to remove that existing parenthesis, and after the pop, if the stack, that is if not stack, then we have to print new line. So if the stack is empty, we are printing the new line. So this will give us the desired output.